Well, today being 75 years of our independence, I think we as a whole, we should understand that 75 years back to attain this day, there were many, many sacrifices made by different types of people, led by our father of our nation, Mahatma Gandhi ji, where the movement started by various leaders then, resulted in this wonderful day of being a wonderful country. There are many things to be spoken of this country, and I think as wonderful citizens of this country, we all know. When the flag, what I have hosted in front of all of us, and we are all holding the flags of Indian tricolor, has its own meanings. We see the separate, where there is bravery involved, where the people of our country have shed their blood to get this day for us. The white of the flag resembles the peace this nation goes through. This nation has always a saying that we will not bother our other nation. We have to protect our nation, our people, and that is what it signifies. The green in the flag signifies the hard work of our farmers, of our greenery around, where we have become a self-sufficient nation from a nation which used to be having a lot of famine because of food grains. The chakra in the middle, where it has got 24 spokes, speaks about the 24 hours we as the Indian citizens have to work to see this nation progress. आज आम्ही यांना एक गोष्टी आम्ही आज उलयता हांगा रावन अजूनही म्हाका दिसता 75 इयर्सान जेन्ना आमचे भारत देशाक स्वतंत्रपण जाले आम्ही गोंयांत ते फ्लॅग आम्ही करूंक शकूना आमकां सगळ्यांक खबर आहा पूण देशान जेन्ना जाले 75 इयर्स बॅक गोंयानूय खुबशे सेलिब्रेशन जाले आनी आमचे जेन्ना इंडियन हाय कमिशन जेन्ना गोंयान आशिल्ले थंय जो पयलो फ्लॅग जालो in 1947. But आज आम्ही जे आमचे फ्रीडम फायटर आशिल्ले, we cannot forget all of them. It is because of this their valiant efforts that this nation today is celebrating 75 years of independence. And this 75 years of independence given to our by our forefathers is something that we all have to protect. We have to protect this nation. I still remember when I used to read in my younger days that the colonial regime then would say that this nation will disintegrate soon. This nation will disintegrate soon because of various social and cultural things in the nation where we are all bounded by the nation. But we have proven the world wrong. In 75 years today, this nation is united as one nation because of the lovely people of this country. And I think these lovely people of the country makes this nation go forward. These lovely people of this country makes this nation grow stronger. These lovely people of the country make us all proud to see that Indian flag flies in every house. Today, Honorable Prime Minister's vision of bringing the flag code to a change is this very reason that the patriotism within us, within the younger generation, has to be seen to see this nation grows to the world's best nation in all forms. And I'm sure, and I'm very sure, that the younger generation along with us will one day see that this nation will and is and will in the future be the one of the strongest and the deciding nations and one of the nations where we have seen today decide for the rest of the world. Today, we as Indians, we are all proud. I request my fellow citizens who are here today that India over the years has come up from a country where we had a lot of poverty, but today with different administration the nation has gone forward, and I'm sure that in years to come we will see this nation grow. And my young friends who are here, who are going to be the future of this nation, I request you all that whatever you do today, you should think for the nation. We should think that the nation has to grow, and it is only because of you and us today we can make this nation grow. I will not take much of your time. Let us all once again remember the 75 years today what we are here. We intend this nation to go many more years together as a one nation. The nation, if you remember 75 years back, the great nation of ours was divided into two parts of it. One went into a religious sentiments, the other nation stood for secularism, democratic values. And today, because of this very reason, we are all here celebrating 75 years. That is why, my dear friends, my dear students, let us take this nation forward. Today, technologies have changed. 5G is going to come. A lot of other technologies are going to come and the nation is going to have these technologies to take us forward. But don't forget that ultimately, we are the citizens of this country. The citizens of this country are from the world's democracy, world's biggest democracy. And we decide what we want for our country. We, the citizens of this country, decide what we want. And we, the citizens of the country, decide the future of this country. So let us take a pledge today, on this wonderful day, that we will not only take a pledge, but there are many other pledges which we have to take. And I request the August gathering here, including my young friends, that today we have a lot of other things which bring this nation to different reasons. I remember the Honorable Prime Minister's words. Today we have small issues like the garbage medals in Goa and in the country. There are other issues also. But I think as we responsible citizens, the Prime Minister always says that if I do not throw garbage, who will throw the garbage? So let us all eyes today who are here, say that we will take this pledge and we will stop others also throwing it so that we can educate them. And we will start by not throwing ourselves. So these few words, once again I would like to thank the administration for having this wonderful function and all of us here for making time and efforts to celebrate 75 years of this wonderful nation. And I wish all of you present a very happy Independence Day, happy 75 years, and we'll see this nation grow all of us together. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.